Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to connect Google Analytics to hosting your website builder. So first is to create a Google Analytics account. Navigate to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Click on Start Measuring and provide the necessary information about your website. Ensure you select Google Analytics 4 or GA4 as it's the recommended version. Step 2. Obtain your GA4 measurement ID. After setting up your property, go to the admin section in Google Analytics. Under the property column, click on Data Streams, and then select your website from the list. Now your measurement ID should be formatted like this, and it will be displayed in the upper right corner. Step 3 is to access hosting your website builder. Log into your account and navigate to the website builder and select the website you want to integrate with Google Analytics. Click on Edit Website to open the website editor. Step 4. Integrate Google Analytics with your website. Within the website editor, click on Settings. Go to the Integration section. Find the Google Analytics field and paste your GA4 measurement ID into the designated area. Step 5 is to enable a cookie banner. For tracking scripts to function correctly and to comply with privacy regulations, ensure that a cookie banner is enabled on your website. In the website editor, navigate to Settings, Privacy, and enable the cookie banner option. Step 6, and last step, save and publish your changes. After adding your measurement ID and enabling the cookie banner, click on Save. Publish your website to apply the changes. And that's basically it.